What if I told you that in just a few clicks, you can turn your plain Revit model into a stunning realistic image without leaving the software? No complicated plugins, no stress. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to render in Revit step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Hello, welcome to Novel Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official, tap the subscribe button, let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Step 1. Prepare your view. Rendering starts with your view. Now let's pick a camera point. Head over to the site. Click on this arrow drop down. Click on camera. Now pick a point from a distance. Click on it. Pick the camera down. Make sure it covers the building. And here you have the offset. That is the height of the camera. You can increase it or you can reduce it. Now click on it. This gives you a more natural human eye perspective. Select the viewport. You can adjust it from here. Adjust this too. Alright. Now let's change the view to realistic. Click on the visual style. Realistic. Click on it. Graphics display option. Tick this. Uncheck show edges. Alright. Step 2. Apply materials. Rendering without materials is like taking a photo in the dark. It won't look good. For the interlocking material, I need to change it. Select it. Click on material. Let me use concrete walkway. Select the image. You can adjust the brightness. Click done. Click OK. Step 3. Add lighting. Lighting is everything in rendering. Let's open the view. Now let's enable the shadow. Here's the shadow. Turn it on. You can see the difference. You can as well add some artificial lights. Let's quickly place one pendant light here. Go to floor plan under ceiling plans. Click on components. Load family. Go to your library folder. Let me use the pendant light. Select it. Open. Now let's place it here. Let's view it in 3D. Now select it. Click on edit type. You can change the material. Let's use this. Okay. Placement height. Let's use 500. Apply. That's okay. You can add more lights if you wish. Then for interiors, you can as well add artificial lights like the ceiling light or the lamps. Make sure they are turned on in the lighting setting. If your navigation feels slow, I recommend using this mouse. And for a better rendering quality, your screen matters a lot. You can get a wider screen. I will leave the links to more products in the description section. You can go and check it out so as to optimize your design workflow. Step 4. Open render settings. Go to view tab. Click render. Now we have the render dialog. Here is what to set. Start with the quality. If you want to test the rendering, you can use the medium. Let's use the high. The resolution, change it to printer. You can increase the DPI to 300. If you need more quality, you can change to best or even custom. Then the printer, you can change to 600 or more. But note, the higher the settings, the more time it will take to render. Now, lighting scheme. You need to choose this depending on your scene. For this exterior view, if you have artificial light, you can use exterior sun and artificial. But if you don't have any artificial light, you can use sun only. For daylight rendering, what you need to avoid is the artificial only. If you are using artificial only, it means it's only the artificial light, and that is mainly for night rendering. So let's use the sun and artificial. For the background style, click here. If you don't need any sky, you can select no clouds, or you can select very few clouds if you need a few clouds. All these are self-explanatory. You can as well render with a color. Select, choose any color. And here you have the transparent background. You can use it. But to have that realistic view, I recommend using image. Click image, then click here. Let's import an image. I have a few background sky here. Let me use this. Select it, open. Click OK. Now for the exposure, we are going to adjust this later. When we are done with the rendering, we can adjust it. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will attend to it. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Step 5. Start rendering. Click render. Revit will now process your image. This might take a few minutes or hours depending on your computer. Okay, it's almost done. In the next video, I'll show you how to render this model with AI. No stress, just a few powerful adjustments, and you have a very clean model. I will leave the link in the description section. Now close it. If you are not okay with this, you can click on adjust exposure. You can increase or reduce the exposure value. You can increase the shadow here, apply, the saturation. When you are okay with it, you can proceed. Click OK. Step 6. Save your render. Click Save to Project or Export. You can save the image to your Revit project here, or click here to export it to your computer. Let's save it in the desktop. Okay, save. You can as well save to project. Click OK. If your render looks dull, you can improve your materials, adjust lighting time, and increase render quality. You can close the dialog now. And that is it. You've just learned how to render in Revit step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. You can support the channel with the thanks button. In subsequent video, I'll show you how to take your renders to the next level with external softwares like Lumion and Enscape. So don't miss out.